this was a 666 delete me. Baby, dance, oh god. Shut up, MK.